Morning, children. In our today's English class, we are going to do the book back exercise of lesson number 14. Are you all ready? Take out your book, New Voices book. Take page number 117. What is the page number? 117. Did you all take it, children? Yes. Put today's date on the top. Always have the habit of putting date. Okay? Yes. Now we are going to do the take the correct answer, write it in the blank. Okay? Yeah, so we are going to do this. Are you all ready? Yes. Take out your pencil. First one. The old man wanted the turnip to be big or sweet. How he wanted? He wanted the turnip to be sweet. So tick sweet and write sweet. So what is the answer? Sweet. Second one. The old man had a grandson or a granddaughter. Who he had? He had a granddaughter. Put a tick on granddaughter and write here. I will not have space, so I will just write grand. You finish it off, okay, children? I don't have space, so you write it fully, okay? Granddaughter. Write the correct spelling, okay? Granddaughter. Granddaughter. Next one. The dog was brown or black in color. How the dog was? The dog was brown in color. So put tick brown and write brown here. Yes. Did you all write it? Okay. Next one. The cat was white or pink in color. Which color the cat was? The cat was lazy pink cat. So, put a tick on pink and write pink. Yes, did you all write it? Next one. The dog asked the mouse or cat for help. Whom did the dog call for? The dog called the cat. Very good. So write C-A-T, cat. Write it neatly, okay? Yes. Next, the last one. The mouse was small or big? The mouse was small. So write SMALL, small. Okay, children? Yes, did you all write it? Very good. Write it slowly. Okay, children? I have not written this full spelling for granddaughter. You have to write it fully. In your book, you will have so much of space. Okay? I don't have space here. You have this much space. So try to write it fully. Okay, children? Yes. Next page. Think and discuss. These two we will write it in our classwork. Okay, children? In next class we will write the classwork. Okay? Yes. Next one, vocabulary. First one, find the little words hidden in the big words below. One has been done for you. Okay. What is the first one? Turnip. So, what is the word that they have found in turnip? They have found turn. So, in the big word, they have a small word for you. What is that? That is turn. Okay. So in that case, for the second one, what we have? We have day. For in the day, if we take out y, the answer is the. THE, the. Yes. What is the next one? Feel. Feel. What is the next one? Feel. If we take out L, it is fee. Fee. Okay. Next one, slow. What is the next one? Slow. Take out yes. The first word, the answer will be low. Low. Okay. Next, fifth word, grow. What is grow? Take out G. If you take out G, row, R-O-W, row. And the last one, string. Take out S-T and it will be ring. R-I-N-G, ring. Okay? Yes. So, inside a big word, you can find out a small word. Yes. It is nice, no? Yes. Very good. Next. Make the big word out of the small ones. One has been done for you. So, black plus board, blackboard. So, what are you going to do? This is going to be your homework. So, it is easy, no? Black plus board, blackboard. Post plus office, post office. So we are going to write it together. That's all. It is very easy. So this is going to be your homework. So okay. Next one. Post plus man. Postman. Foot plus ball, football. Moon plus light, moonlight. Mail plus box, mailbox. Milk plus shake, milkshake. Okay, it is easy for you children, right? Yes. So do all this. This 7 is your homework. Okay, children? Yes. Turn next page. Use word fan to build words. Okay, so what are you going to do is we are going to use PU. Okay, and then with these words, with PU, we will add these words and we will form a big word. Okay, how to do it? See, P U L L, pull. Okay, next P U T, put. Next one P U D D I N G, pudding. Next P U G, pug. Then P U F F I N, puffin. So it is easy, no? You are going to join PU with all these. Yes, write it, children. First one, pull. Pull, pull. Second one, P-U-T, put. P-U-T, put. Next, pudding. P-U-D-D-I-N-G, pudding. Next, pug. P-U-G, pug. Next one, puffin. Puffin, puffin. Yes, did you all write it? Can we do the next one now? Same like this. Do along with me. Okay? Yes. Grow, grow. Second one, Growl, growl. Yes, write along with me. Next, grip, G-R-I-P, grip. Next, G-R-E-E-N, green. Last one, G-R-E-A-T, great. Yes. Have you finished it, children? Write it slowly and neatly, okay? Yes. Next, we are going to do the grammar part. Read these sentences. The boy has a bag. He has a bag. So what is this? We are using he instead of the naming word. Yes. word used instead of naming word. So he has a bag. The girl has a balloon. She has a balloon. Okay. The dog has a bone. It has a bone. Okay. So here we are using he, she and it. And also we are learning to use has and have. Okay. So when a singular, when a person, only one person is having, we will say it as has. Okay. Next one. I have a van. Okay. He, she, it, we use has. Okay. When it comes to I, it will come I have a van. Ali, Seema and Jaya have cats. They have cats. Next one. Priya and I have flowers. We have flowers. Okay. So we learn he, she and it. Okay, words using instead of the naming word, right? In that we have one more subdivision, that is using have and has. When it is he, she and it, we will use has. Okay, read this. We use has with he, she and it. Okay, we use have with I, they and we. Okay, children, can we write the answer for this? Yes. We have 10 questions. I'm going to write 5. 5 is homework. Okay? Yes. Sorry. Rita dash a beautiful doll. Rita has. He dash gone home. When it comes he, it is has. He has gone home. They dash green bags. They, when it comes they, it is have. They have green bags. I dash 2 books. I have 2 books. I have 2 books. This house is mine. It dash 2 doors. When it comes it has. It has 2 doors. So first 5 I have done. The rest is your homework. Okay, children? Will you all do it? Very good. So you all finish the homework which I have given, and I will meet you in the next class. Thank you. Sai Ram.